Hey guys, welcome to our Building a Resume 101 video. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Marishi.
This video is basically a simple way to help you guys create your own resume. Before we get into the video, here's a quick reminder that if you tag 2 friends on our recent post about resume tips, we will have someone experienced or one of us look over your resume and provide constructive criticism.
So, a resume is a simple way for an individual to showcase their background, skills, and accomplishments to a potential employer or mentor. There are many different types of resumes that use a variety of components. The resume we will be showing you will have 8 sections, but depending on what you want to share and who your audience is, you can pick and choose what works for you. For making the resume itself, we recommend using Google Docs or Canva. Both tools are easy to use. Google Docs is more simplified, while Canva gives a lot more room for creative freedom.
So first off, we have our header on the top of the page. Your name and the primary objective of the resume goes up here. Keep your objective simple and short, and make sure your name is big and visible. So for our example, Jane here, her objective of the resume would be to find experience in orthodontistry. If you're looking for an internship or research opportunity specifically, you can mention that instead. Having a header with your name is definitely necessary. Below this, you have your contact details. This is also a necessary step. You need to include your phone number and email so that your future employer or mentor has a way to contact you.
Our next section is education. This is not as important as the previous ones. Over here, you'd put the school you're currently attending or have recently attended. Next is academic qualifications, which is very essential, especially if the job you're applying for is competitive. You can put your GPA and any scores you might want to showcase. You can also put any rigorous coursework you have taken that shows knowledge in the field you're going into. The next section is skills. This is an optional section. Here, most people would list languages they know or skills that they have that are related to the objective of your resume. For example, since Jane is looking to find experience in dentistry, she would put things like great at working under pressure and strong communication skills here.
Next, you will list out your activities and achievements. This is one of the more important sections as this will show your previous experiences in the field as well as the proactive choices you have made. As you can see here, Jane has put all of her experiences such as shadowing a professional as well as clubs she takes part in. The achievements you display also lets the audience know you have been officially recognized for your work.
The final section we have is references. Having references is important, as it shows your audience the professional connections you have made, while also giving them the option to reach out for a second opinion. Make sure you ask the person who is going to be your reference before you actually put them down. After getting permission, be sure to leave the relationship and contact details of your reference.
So that's basically how you create your very own resume. Remember, this is just one good example, so feel free to mess around adding other different sections to customize the resume to your needs.
An important tip to consider while making your resume is that you should keep it about 1 to 2 pages. You can do so by removing any details that seem unnecessary or don't pertain to your message. The best resume is short and concise. Be sure to check out the additional tips on making a resume on our recent Instagram post. Bye, everyone!
Bye, everyone!